Good morning, grade R's. Can you see what we're going to be practicing today? We're going to be looking at patterns. Patterns are very important for your mathematical or number side of your brain. Patterns are created when certain figures, objects, or shapes are placed in a certain order or arrangement, and that order or arrangement is repeated over and over again. Patterns help us identify objects, find out how things work, how they fit together, and how to solve problems. We can also get really good at making things when we figure out the pattern and keep practicing and never giving up. We can make all sorts of wonderful things and become champions at them, like sports people, musicians, artists, and dancers. Patterns are used in all places in life. Look at our calendar. We have a pattern of weeks, which turn into months, which turn into years. Here on the till, I have the keypad pattern. This is the same pattern you'll find at the ATM, on your phone, and many other places. The letters or numbers go across 1, 2, 3, then back to the left 4, 5, 6, and so on. Can you see the money pattern that I've made here? On the left, I've started with the highest banknotes: 200 Rand, 100 Rand, 50 Rand, 20 Rand, and 10 Rand. That is called descending order, meaning you start with the biggest amount and you end with the smallest amount. On the right, I have ascending order: 10 Rand, 20 Rand, 50 Rand, 100 Rand, 200 Rand. The value of the notes goes up in order. We can also make patterns with money using the shapes there are. The 20 Rand note is a rectangle. The 1 Rand coin is a circle. Then we have another 20 Rand, which is a rectangle shape, and another circle 1 Rand. What would come next after the 1 Rand? That's right, another rectangular 20 Rand note. Over here, I have got some 20-cent coins and 10-cent coins. They go big, small, big, small, big, small. What would come after the small one? That's right, another big one. So we would go 20 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, and another 10 cents. The pattern can go on indefinitely, which means it has no end. Over here, we have made some more patterns. Starting with the biggest, there are 2. 2 big ones, 2 middle ones, 1, 2. Then 2 small ones, 1, 2. So even though we're going in twos, the pattern is our shape. And this is descending order. Over here, we've got ascending order, starting with the smallest up to the largest, also in twos. 2 small, 2 medium, 2 big. What would be next? 2 small, 2 medium, 2 big. We are learning about shapes. Over here, I have a triangle, a circle, a triangle. What would come after the triangle? You got it. Another circle. So it's in ones. 1 triangle, 1 circle. 1 triangle, 1 circle. Over here, I've got a different kind of pattern. Square, 2 circles, square. What do you think would need to come after the square? That's right, another 2 circles. Patterns can go up and patterns can go down. Pattern can go sideways and all around. Can you see the color pattern here? Yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Over here I have a pattern. They're all rectangles. The way I've patterned it is by their position. Some go horizontal and some go vertical. Let's have a look. Horizontal or sideways. Vertical is standing up. Horizontal, vertical. What would the next one be? That's right, horizontal. Here is a pattern with some sticks. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, and the next one would be blue. Look at these patterns. Can you figure them out? Got 2 squares and 2 triangles. I would need another 2 squares after the triangles. Here I've got some eyeball sticks. 1 eyeball, 2 eyeballs. 1 eyeball, 2 eyeballs. What would the next one be? You got it. A 1-eyeballed stick. You've all seen this number chart before. It's all your numbers from 1 to 100. They follow a pattern too. It's important to find the patterns in your number chart. You're going to use this a lot in grade 1. I have a special challenge for you with your number chart. I'd like to see if you can find a pattern going vertically or horizontally. Can you find any numbers that end in the same number or begin with the same number? Can you tell me if all the blocks across are the same number as all the blocks going down? Have a look. Use a whiteboard marker to circle what you have discovered and send me some photos. I can't wait to see how clever you are. Here is a shell. There are many patterns in nature too. Can you see how the Lord has created this shell? He's used a repetition of stripes and a spiral at the top. It really is remarkable and really amazing.